Okay, today is another new tool you can use website, and it's called a web whiteboard. And this is really great for interactive whiteboards, but also you can use this with a projector, Eno board, Promethean board. Really doesn't matter. Anything that you can interact with, even on your computer screens, and your students can use it on a Chromebook or even in a lab. So it's awwapp.com. And so once I go there, you're going to see the start drawing. So just click on that. You can sign in. It does give you a little more functionality, and you can use your Google credentials to do that. Just sign in with your Google credentials and then hit that start drawing, and it'll have your Google information up there. Alright, so it's pretty simple, but I'm going to start right here with the color tab. And so of course you can have a custom color or any of the pre-done colors. I'm just going to pick green. And then you have a couple different choices. You have a pen, you have the marker, you have a line tool. I'm going to use the marker, and you can increase that pen size. Alright, I'm going to go for 3. And of course, if you do have an interactive board or a Eno board or a Promethean board, it does give you a little more control than using the mouse. But even with the mouse, I can write on the screen. So the eraser tool has a couple different ways you can use it. You can just erase through things like that, or you can choose the scissors, which lets you kind of draw around an object and it deletes it, or you can just hit the trash can, which clears the entire page. You do have a couple of shapes, right? You can make rectangles and squares and ellipses, or if you're lucky, you can make a circle, right? And then you can use the select tool to select things, and it has a couple different options. You can duplicate it, which will just give you another one. You can copy it, and then you can paste it, right? You can keep pasting it, and then you can trash objects real easily, right? Or you can just go back to your eraser tool and clear the page. You can use the text function, just type, right? Start typing. You can change the color. You can make it bigger. And of course you can do all those other things with it. You also have the undo function, right? Okay, so how would you use this with students? So you can have your students do work, right, whether it's math problems or whatever, and then when they're done, they would just come up here and export it. They can export it as an image, right, and then they can just hit that save button and then say where they want to put it, and they're going to put it in their folder, their documents folder, and that's it. Then they're done with it. And so there are a couple of premium things that you can do, like uploading PDFs. That's a premium function. Post-it notes, I think, are a premium function, and also saving as a PDF. So exporting as a PDF, I think, is also a premium function. So alright, this has been a web whiteboard, awwapp.com, and don't forget you can subscribe to this YouTube channel as well as subscribe to this playlist and get more videos.